Hello guys, so basically we have already built the respective landing page as well as connected the email list with it with the autoresponder setup so that the emails are supposed to be sent to the respective leads automatically on day 1 on immediate basis, day 2, day 3, day 4, and similarly day 6. So basically they would be sent the respective affiliate offers as well, so that when they buy any of the stuffs through our link, we get the commission. Now the question which hasn't been answered yet is, first, how do we give away the free stuffs like Facebook marketing course that I mentioned, or many of the stuffs? Do we need to actually create it? Well, the answer is no, we don't have to create it, because there are a lot of stuffs available out there, thousands and thousands of stuff which you can have the rights for, and then just give it away at your landing page to build the email list, or maybe just sell it at your sales page. So you don't have to waste your time in creating the new stuffs. You don't know whether it is working or not later on and it's good enough or not. You can just buy the private label rights. So the second question is like, how do we sign up for the respective affiliate offers, and how do we find the products and then put the link in our respective emails? So both the questions will be answered in this particular video. I'll show you on my desktop basically how do you proceed about it. So there are two buttons down below in this particular video. The first one is for signing up for the respective ClickBank or the affiliate offer. The sign up is completely free. You have to click on that button, you will be taken to a respective page, and I'll show you what all you have to do for the sign up and then to get your unique link to promote the product. And then the second button is of the private label right stuff. So it is like you have to click on the link, and then I'll just show you what all products are accessible with it, and then how much you will have to pay for it for the lifetime access for all these things. So basically, let's jump onto my desktop. First of all, you click on the first link, ClickBank, for the affiliate stuff, and let's sign up, and I'll show you how do you do that. So guys, when you will be taken to this particular page, which is the respective ClickBank site. So ClickBank is the affiliate platform which gives you access to become affiliate for thousands and thousands of products at one go. So basically all you have to do is just create an account with the ClickBank. It's 100% free to create the account. So after that, you can promote any of their products and get a great chunk of commission. A lot of people even make multi-million dollars in a year with the ClickBank itself, just as an affiliate. Some people make 6 figures, some people make 7 figures. So yeah, it pretty much has a great potential. So I've clicked on this create account, and as you will see that you will have to enter the respective details. So the country name, first name, last name, phone number, and all these things you just have to do, and then just proceed along with it. Now, because I already have my account, I'm gonna sign in. So basically, once you have the account created, you also have to sign in. Now I just sign in. This is a newly created account for myself in the ClickBank. So it is not having any commissions associated with it. So as you can see, this is where our commission will be shown. Like right now, it's all $0 because this is just a newly created account. So how do you promote the offers? All you have to do is just click on Marketplace. Within Marketplace, you will have access to all thousands and thousands of the product. So these are the different niches like cooking, food and wine, e-business, e-marketing, so green products, health and fitness. So all these niches, whichever niche you want to promote the product in, you can click on that and check. So basically, let's say for me, right now I have given already the Facebook marketing course. So something related with that I want to sell. So I just clicked on the e-business and e-marketing. So as you can see, like, this is also one of the product. So let me just tell you one thing. First and the foremost thing you need to do is sort by gravity. Gravity means number of successful affiliates who have sold this particular product. So high gravity means high number of successful affiliates have sold the product. So right now, if you see, if I sorted by gravity, 249 people have successfully sold this 12-minute affiliate system with their unique link. So it's not just one sale. One person may have sold like thousands and thousands of products. So 249 people successfully sold in the last month. So this means that this product is pretty well and selling well in the marketplace, so you can definitely consider it. And similarly, the second highest 120 is the gravity. So then you also have to see, like, on average how much dollars each seller is, like, each sale is producing for the people. So as you can see, its average dollar is $77. So one sale will bring you $77, and on average he's giving like 50% for the amount of sale. So you want to promote this particular product, all you have to do is just click on promote and generate hop links. As you can see, this is my unique link. So all I have to do is just ensure that people click on this link and then buy. Like, basically once they click on that particular link, they'll be taken to the respective affiliate page. Let me just show you. I just pasted this particular link. Now let's see how does the page look like. So as you can see, this is what the page will look like for the people, and they will have the video playing for them, and then all these sales thing. All they have to do is just enter their name and then get started, and the next page the sales offer will be there. So everything will be handled by this particular system, and whenever customer buys it, you will be paid your commission in the respective ClickBank account. So the only thing you have to do is ensure that they click your link and then go to your respective this particular offer. So right now, since we do have this particular link, now what we gonna do, as we already discussed, that the email list, the autoresponder, on the 6th day that we were about to send the sales offer, we will be sending this particular link. So I'll just go to again show autoresponders. So this is the email on which I wanted to send my respective affiliate offer. So as you can see, this is the thing, and then I can just edit the message. So I can change the subject as well. 12-minute affiliate system to make you big profits. So I can write, I'm revealing my own system by which I make money online. The 12-minute affiliate system. Watch how it works. And I paste my respective affiliate link. Now normally we can even cloak it, this particular link. So there is a bit.ly.com on which you just paste your link, and then you'll have a shortened link and a unique link. So all these ClickBank and all these things is not shown. As well as, like, right now I've created it in plain text, this particular email. If you create it like in any of the format, then we can just type in, like, click on the link and then just paste a unique link on that, like paste in the link URL, so it will show in the form of text. So a lot of ways to do that. So I'm just putting the link as it is. So this is the day 6. The system will automatically send the email to the people, and the number of people who click on it and get into the funnel and actually buy it, we will be paid for that within the ClickBank. So now you can relate, like, how the system will be generating money for us. So this is the ClickBank offer, and once you have any of the sale, you will be having a respective dashboard filled in with the dollar amount. And then after a certain point of time, like once you have enough number of dollars, as you can see consistent amount of dollars coming in, and even before that you have to click on account setting and update your payment information. So what is the bank account in which ClickBank should send you the respective payment, or the email address at which they should send you the respective check. So this is the ClickBank part. I hope that it's pretty much clear. So now let's jump onto the PLR stuff. Like, as you remember, like, this is the first email that we sent. The first email said that this is your free Facebook marketing course. So how do we get those free courses which we can actually offer on our respective landing pages? So this particular part will be handled. If you click on the second link, second button, and that is shown below the video after clickbank, that is the ID PLR. So basically you will land up with on this particular website. This particular website has like 12,590 plus PLR, private label right products, and that to like so many ebooks, so many articles, so many softwares, so many video courses. All these things you will be having access forever, for lifetime, completely free. So completely free in a sense, like for the one-time payment that you give. And it's like not just a random stuff, it's like professional stuffs that you're giving to the people. Like if you just scroll it, like if I let me just click on any of the software, let's say the video series with the master resale right, so you can either sell them or just give them away to build your email list. So as you can see, social messaging app for marketers. This is the video series, how to stop worrying what other people think of you, work from home. So as you can see, like once you put out the screenshot of all these things, like Instagram ad success, and it is actually having the video made from the successful people. So basically, why in the world people will not give you their email address? And even let's say like you're setting up on a one sales page, like you're just selling all the items for a discount price of $9.95, and you just put in 6 of the items. Why in the world people will not buy it? It seems like a ridiculous offer. I mean, a ridiculously amazing offer, because so many things and such a professional thing. And if you'll see the actual videos or actual software, it's really, really great. So this is like a blessing for the people or for the marketers out there, and you don't have to create any of the product. All these things are available, ready to sell. All you have to do is just use your marketing skills later on. So how do you proceed about it? You click over here, register for free. Once you have clicked on the register for free, you can see like the free membership I would recommend you not to take, but rather take gold membership and take this one-time offer. At the end you will see that there is a lifetime offer of $89, and you will be having access to it for the rest of your life. All the things that is added in the future as well, and whatever is available. So just imagine, it's like pretty cool. I mean, I would not even suggest 1 year access or 3 years access when you have it all for $89. I mean, this is just like a no-brainer. This is the kind of stuff like when you're starting a business, $1,000 minimum, like people spend it without even thinking about. I mean, just imagine in your currency, if you're about to start a physical business, here like you're giving just $89 and then just $15 for the email autoresponder. That's it, and just spend rest of the things on the marketings and your free ads, free traffics, and all these things. I mean, this is a really insane way, and all the products, like you even have the 60-day money back guarantee. So basically, if you do not like it, they will return you even your $89. So yeah, once you're done, all you have to do is after that you just log into your this IDPLR account, and then pick any of the product you want to give away, and then just download it to your PC and then upload it to your respective Google Drive. Get the unique link, and once I get the unique link, I paste my unique link for the download over here, as well as on the respective landing page. Also, you can edit if you want to give the download option then and there itself. So I give my unique link over here so people get their free stuff. And then day 2, day 3, day 4 also I set up the emails to build the relationship. And eventually day 6, as we see the ClickBank offer. And we won't stop at the ClickBank offer at day 6. We'll be even sending at day 8, day 9, so that multiple exposure to the people. Some of the people who may be on the verge of buying, they did not buy, should also get the opportunity yet again. So even like on the landing page, if you want, you can just add the respective ClickBank offer, meaning on the landing page you have the second page which showed the download option. But rather than the download option, you just give them want to check out the 12-minute affiliate sync. So basically, once they click on the button, they may be the potential customer then and there itself, without even the email doing the job for you. As you can see, this is this particular page. The next page, we can write, check out the 12-minute affiliate system. Like I'm just writing it on the button. You can even write it on the respective text. So there we have it, and then we can just provide the link. This is the link URL. This is my ClickBank number, open in a new window, as you can see. So that's it. Like whoever clicks on here will be taken to the respective ClickBank offer, and once they buy it, we get the commission. So everywhere, everything is just like money making machine for you. Everything is working in your favor, as long as just you are able to attract right kind of people to your respective landing page. So let's see like how our landing page looks like. Again, I'm just entering the random email address on my landing page. Get my FB course. Your free course is sent to the respective email. So my email will have the confirmation email. And meanwhile, like once I'll be checking my email and stuff to get the free course. I can even check out the 12-minute affiliate system. And right now, this particular button has clicked and ensured that my affiliate link is open. And just imagine, like if I'm hooked to it, the videos I like, I enter my details and then I proceed to buy, I'll be getting the commission. So that is a really powerful way, guys, I mean, to generate the money. In fact, a lot of ways, if you'll actually go through the funnel of the other successful marketers, you will see this is how the pattern is. So all your things are ready, everything is ready, and your money making machine is completely ready by this time. So basically all you have to do is just ensure that people land up to your respective landing page. So how do you bring the people? So all you have to do is just like generate traffic. In simple words, generate traffic to your funnel, to your respective landing page, and let the system do all the emailings that you have set already had, and then let it generate money for you with the respective clickbank. Then go and check your clickbank offer for the money bars to shoot up and your bank account to scale up. So in the next video, what we'll be talking about is specifically how do you generate the traffic, different methodologies, different ways in which you can generate the traffic. And the last video after that will be how to go about the future, like how to tweak and test everything for the better optimization, better results. And it is going to be fun. Do watch the next video on the traffic part. See you then.